Cortez 17 Camper. The Cortez 17 is a compact, 17-foot single-axle travel trailer built by Cortez Campers. It's widely recognized for its lightweight construction, made possible by the company's patented composite monocoque frame. This frame combines fiberglass and resin, resulting in a structure that's both durable and easy to tow. Weighing only 2,680 pounds when dry, the Cortez 17 is designed for effortless mobility without compromising comfort. It offers sleeping accommodations for 2 people, featuring a double bed positioned at the rear of the trailer. Additionally, the dinette area can be transformed into an extra sleeping space if required. Inside, the trailer includes a compact galley kitchen equipped with a sink, stove, and refrigerator. The bathroom, though small, provides essential amenities including a toilet and a shower. As of 2024, the starting price for a new Cortez 17 camper begins at an affordable rate, making it an appealing choice for travelers seeking a lightweight yet functional camping solution. Earthroamer SX. The Earthroamer SX is an all-terrain expedition vehicle built on the Chevrolet Silverado 6500 HD chassis. It's engineered for off-road adventures and extended stays in remote areas while offering all the comforts of home. Under the hood, the SX features a 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel V8 engine that delivers 445 horsepower and 910 pound-feet of torque, providing the strength and reliability needed to conquer any terrain, from steep mountain trails to muddy paths. Inside, the SX offers a spacious and functional layout, complete with a full kitchen, bathroom, and 2 sleeping areas. The dinette comfortably accommodates up to 6 people, while the kitchen includes a refrigerator, stove, and sink for convenient meal preparation. The bathroom is fully equipped with a shower, toilet, and sink, ensuring comfort even in the most remote destinations. The master bedroom features a queen-sized bed, and the secondary sleeping area includes a bunk bed, ideal for family or guests. Though designed for rugged environments, the Earthroamer SX combines luxury, capability, and practicality in one powerful expedition vehicle. Microhouse. Microhouse is a high-tech micro-home designed to provide a compact yet fully functional living space, starting at $60,000. It offers more advanced technology per square foot than most products in its category. Inside, you'll find all the essentials for comfortable living, including a kitchen, bathroom, sleeping loft, and living area. The unit also features solar panels and a battery backup system, ensuring energy efficiency and reliability. Built with mobility in mind, microhouse structures are easy to transport, allowing you to relocate whenever needed. With low operating costs and a high return on investment, Microhouse offers a sustainable and profitable approach to modern living. For anyone seeking an eco-friendly, low-maintenance, and technologically advanced home, the Microhouse stands out as an excellent choice. The Fortravel Motorcoach IH45 Luxury is where every mile feels like pure elegance and comfort. This Class A motorcoach is a true masterpiece of design, setting a new benchmark for luxury travel on the road. From its sleek, modern exterior to its beautifully crafted interior, every detail reflects sophistication and style. Step inside to experience spacious living areas, a gourmet kitchen with premium appliances, and a master suite built for complete relaxation. The IH45 Luxury combines comfort with cutting-edge innovation, featuring advanced entertainment systems and smart technology to keep you connected and entertained wherever you go. Whether you're exploring scenic highways or enjoying a peaceful weekend getaway, this motorcoach surrounds you with luxury at every turn. Every inch is thoughtfully designed to deliver a first-class travel experience. The Fortravel IH45 Luxury isn't just an RV, it's a statement of elegance, performance, and ultimate comfort. Discover the finest way to travel and make every journey truly unforgettable. The HGV Helios Horsebox range is expertly designed to transport even the largest horses in exceptional comfort and safety. Every Helios model is built with outstanding quality, style, and durability. Its unique curved roof design not only looks elegant but also improves fuel efficiency and reduces wind noise. The flowing roofline leads into the sleek Helios pod, providing an impressive 8 feet 6 inches of headroom for your horses. Above the shower and toilet area, there's even a comfortable groom's bed, cleverly integrated without increasing the vehicle's overall height. For those who seek ultimate travel luxury, the marquee mobile LAM Ment Palazzo Superior redefines the meaning of a motorhome. Built with high-performance carbon fiber and inspired by motorsport, aviation, and yacht design, it's a true masterpiece. Its Sky Lounge rooftop deck lifts automatically, offering panoramic views. Inside, you'll find a lavish living area with a bar, wine cabinet, large TV, and open kitchenette. The private bathroom and elegant master bedroom make it a genuine home on wheels, ready for extraordinary adventures. The off-grid Lotus Caravan is your ultimate travel companion, designed for adventure and comfort wherever the road takes you. Built with rugged durability, it's made to handle the toughest terrains, from the dusty outback to rocky trails, while keeping you surrounded by the luxuries of home. Inside, you'll find a stylish, comfortable space with customizable floor plans to suit your family's needs. Enjoy the convenience of modern living on the go, including air conditioning, a premium kitchen, and a fusion entertainment system that keeps everyone happy and connected. Powered by advanced off-grid technology, this caravan gives you the freedom to explore remote places without giving up comfort. With strong power capabilities, ample lighting, and reliable performance, the off-grid Lotus Caravan lets you live and travel on your own terms. Whether it's a weekend escape or a long adventure into the wild, Winnebago Forza. Winnebago Forza is a popular Class A diesel motor home manufactured by Winnebago Industries. It's known for its combination of luxury, comfort, and performance, making it a sought-after choice among RV enthusiasts. The Forza typically offers various floor plans to accommodate different preferences, ranging from compact layouts suitable for couples to larger designs perfect for families or groups. It often features amenities such as fully equipped kitchens, spacious living areas, comfortable sleeping arrangements, and modern entertainment systems. Additionally, being a diesel motorhome, the Forza usually provides excellent fuel efficiency and towing capabilities, making it suitable for long-distance travel and towing additional vehicles or trailers. Overall, the Winnebago Forza is renowned for its quality construction, innovative design, and reliable performance on the The Adria Sonic Plus is a stylish motorhome that combines everyday practicality with the comfort of a premium travel experience. Its sleek, aerodynamic design gives it a modern and elegant look on the road. Inside, the layout is smart and thoughtfully designed to make life on the move easy and enjoyable. Large panoramic windows flood the living area with natural light, creating a bright and spacious atmosphere. The lounge is cozy and perfect for relaxing after a long drive, while the fully equipped kitchen makes cooking simple and convenient wherever you are. The bedroom offers a peaceful private space with plenty of storage and a comfortable bed for a restful night's sleep. Starting at about $111,100, the Adria Sonic Plus provides a great mix of luxury and value. It's ideal for travelers who want a high-quality motorhome with premium touches, without stepping into the ultra-luxury price range. Designed for comfort, function, and freedom, it's built to make every journey feel like home. The Brabus Big Boy 1200 is a stunning luxury motorhome that takes travel comfort to the next level. Created in partnership with STX Motorhomes, this 12-meter-long masterpiece offers more than 30 square meters of living space, like a 5-star hotel on wheels. Inside, it features electrically extendable sections that expand both the living and bedroom areas for extra room and comfort. You'll find a high-end kitchen for gourmet cooking, a bathroom with natural stone finishes, and the latest in entertainment, including a PlayStation 5 and Starlink satellite internet to stay connected anywhere. Under the hood, it's powered by a 12.8-liter 6-cylinder turbo diesel engine that delivers 530 horsepower and an incredible 2,600 Newton-meters of torque. Even though its top speed is capped at 90 kilometers per hour, the Big Boy 1200 is all about luxury, power, and comfort rather than speed. Step inside the Loki Coach Prevost, a masterpiece of luxury and innovation on wheels. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling 5-star experience built for comfort and style. The interior welcomes you with stunning white leather seats worth $20,000 each, while 10 touchscreen Garmin tablets let you control everything, from lighting and music to the privacy glass, with just a tap. Enjoy movie nights in your private theater, cook up gourmet meals in one of 2 modern kitchens, or unwind in the master suite featuring a king-size bed and a retractable 50-inch TV. Every detail feels custom crafted for those who demand the best. Powered by advanced lithium batteries and solar technology, the Renegade XLX45 BBC is a luxury Super C motorhome that blends power, comfort, and advanced technology for the ultimate travel experience. Built on a heavy-duty Freightliner or Western Star tandem axle chassis, it runs on a powerful 600 HP Detroit DD16 diesel engine, providing incredible strength and stability for long journeys. Inside, this motorhome feels more like a high-end apartment on wheels. Its bunkhouse floor plan includes 3 slide-outs, a spacious master suite, and 2 full bathrooms, offering plenty of room for family or guests. The interior is loaded with premium features such as a Samsung bespoke refrigerator, heated porcelain tile floors, and several 4K smart TVs for entertainment on the go. The Renegade XL also comes equipped with cutting-edge tech, including a multiplex control system with smartphone app integration, a 12.5 kilowatt Onan generator, and a 360 degrees camera system for effortless control and safety. With a price ranging from $740,000 to $790,000, this coach delivers luxury, performance, and innovation in every mile. The Milcor IPC, Infantry Protection Carrier, is a modern light armored vehicle built for versatility and safety. Made by Milcor, a South African company famous for its powerful multi-shot grenade launchers, the IPC is designed to handle many roles, including patrol missions, reconnaissance, and troop transport. Built on a commercial off-the-shelf chassis, it's easier and cheaper to maintain since replacement parts are widely available. One of its most important features is the V-shaped hull, specially designed to protect soldiers from mines and improvised explosive devices, IEDs. This makes it highly effective in dangerous and unpredictable combat zones, especially in asymmetric warfare situations. The Milcor IPC is flexible and can be customized for different missions. It can carry several troops and be equipped with a variety of weapon systems, from remote-controlled weapon stations to manned turrets. This adaptability allows the vehicle to perform effectively in both combat and peacekeeping operations. Strong, reliable, and mission-ready, the Milcor IPC offers the perfect balance of protection, performance, and practicality, making it a trusted choice for modern military and security forces around the world. The Rizvana Vengeance Military Edition is one of the most powerful and intimidating SUVs ever built. It looks like something straight out of a video game, but it's made to handle real-life danger. Built on the Cadillac Escalade platform, this beast is fully armored with bulletproof ballistic protection and an underbody shield that can withstand explosions. It even comes with military-grade run flat tires and electrified door handles to keep intruders away. For extreme safety, it's equipped with night vision cameras, super bright blinding lights, pepper spray dispensers, and magnetic deadbolts to secure the cabin. Despite all the defense systems, the inside is pure luxury, with soft premium leather seats, a high-tech infotainment system, and a ride that feels both smooth and commanding. Under the hood, a massive 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine produces over 420 horsepower, giving it the muscle to match its aggressive design. The Vengeance isn't just a car, it's a fortress on wheels, blending the toughness of military vehicles with the comfort and style of a high-end SUV. It's built for those who want ultimate protection, unmatched power, and a truly unique presence on the road. The Rheinmetall HX 10x10 is a powerful and highly mobile military truck built for the toughest missions. It belongs to the HX family of tactical trucks, which are designed as ready-to-use military solutions. With its 10x10 wheel configuration and 5 strong axles, this vehicle is made to carry very heavy loads and handle demanding terrain with ease. The HX 10x10 is incredibly versatile and can serve in several specialized roles. It's often used as a heavy recovery vehicle, a carrier for advanced weapon systems like wheeled self-propelled howitzers, or as a platform for bridge-laying equipment. Its rugged design allows it to perform in extreme environments, from deep mud and sand to flooded areas, thanks to its high ground clearance and deep fording capability. It's powered by a range of durable engines that can run on multiple fuel types, ensuring flexibility in the field. For added safety, the truck can be fitted with an armored cab to protect the crew from bullets, mines, and IEDs. Overall, the Rheinmetall HX 10x10 is a tough, adaptable, and reliable vehicle built to support military operations anywhere in the world.